Welcome to Crash Course Hotels. Welcome back. In this episode, we're going to take a look at the Ibis styles in Bali, Legian. This hotel is definitely an economy hotel. With that being said, there's something to say about a hotel that you can book for a week for a little over $200, which is, I believe, the rate that I paid when I was there. Here's a look at the lobby. Nice open area. This hotel is in a good location. We'll show you that later in the video. Taking a look here inside of the room, you do have the basics, and here's a little coffee tea setup along with the refrigerator. You do have some closet space as well as a working safe. Some interesting choices on the colors of the decor. They probably need to do an update there, but interesting. As far as being functional, totally functional. It's actually a pretty comfortable place to stay. You have a little balcony out here. You do have a table and chairs out here. Here's a look at the bathroom. You have a little closet, shower space, very small sink, and standard bathroom as far as the toilet's concerned. If you're enjoying the video, make sure to click like, subscribe, and smash that notification bell. Now back to the review. I thought this was interesting. This hotel does have a currency exchange in the lobby area. This nice young man was happy enough to let me show that. I appreciate that. Here's that pool down the center of all of the rooms. You can see they do have a little kiddie pool down here by the bar. This pool area definitely gets a lot of shade compared to some of the other ones that I stayed at while I was in Bali. You see a nice little waterfall all the way down the side of the pool. There isn't a gym at this location. So let's take a look at breakfast. As you might expect, with it being an economy option, it is just the basics. But with that being said, if you're paying $200 a week for a hotel, the fact that you even get a breakfast is a pretty good deal. I ate down here several times and no complaints. Decent way to start the day. As long as you can get some good coffee, you're alright. Let's take a look, and I'll give you a quick walk around the area just where you can see there's a little sports bar down the street that I really enjoyed. We'll walk down there at the end of this video.
Pretty good. How about you, man?
Yes.
No, thank you. No, I appreciate it, brother, but no, thank you.
Hey, mate. Talking, buddy.
How we doing, guys? No, maybe later. Maybe later. No.
Singlet now.
No, I gotta go eat now.
Yes, coming, boss.
How are we doing, man?
Thanks for watching. Here's another video I think you might enjoy as well.